person to receive the MSS here in Haiti. Competent coach, skillful coach, a coach that is putting us and giving us numbers on which lane and which line to move on. And he has been also... At this critical stage of decisive operations, we urge other donor countries that have yet to fulfill their pledges to do so. Their contributions are vital in ensuring the success of this mission, which will be a game changer for Haiti. It is also encouraging to note that MSS is now close to reaching its full operational strength. Additionally, our capabilities continue to grow with enhanced air support from El Salvador, maritime support from the Bahamas, and the advanced land capabilities made possible through donor countries.